Good day everyone, and yes, after more than 2 years of absence, we are finally back on YouTube. Man, I didn't expect it's gonna be that hard. I was trying to write a script for this video, but couldn't really squeeze anything out of myself. I don't know how you guys doing this logging stuff to look so easy.
Just do it!
Oh, right. That makes sense. Anyways, let's get to the point. Today I would like to show you our new product that will dramatically simplify your DTG machine maintenance routine.
What?
No way! Is this for real? Yeah, absolutely. So let me introduce our new automatic capping release board.
Shut up!
Okay, stop. We are not joking here. So let's jump right into all the functions this cool black box has in it. I'm gonna be demonstrating this new board with the Epson P600 and also Epson R2000. Here I have some cleaning swabs, a syringe with cleaning solution, and the bottle with cleaning solution. Here's our controller board. Here's two buttons. We can turn on the printer. Okay, so it's recommended to make all your maintenance when the printer is turned off. So we turn off the printer. Okay, so now we can unlock the carriage. Yeah, that's it. So as you can see, the wiper blade is also engaged. So you can put here some cleaning solution and make all your maintenance. So cleaning the wiper blade, cleaning the capping station. If you want to make wet capping, you can put cleaning solution inside the capping and close everything. Okay, that's it. So we can unlock it again to see that the liquid is still there, but when you want to print, you want to get rid of this liquid. So to get rid of it, you press another button and the capping start to pump. Press it again and it stops pumping. So when you want to close everything, press the button again. That's it. Okay, so here is R2000, same board, same functions, but I would like to show you something more, because here we have a cartridge system. I can connect those tubes to the print head. So everything the same. You can check if the printer is working. So we can turn it on. Okay, so it's working good. Now we turn it off. Done. So right now, as you can see, those tubes are empty. We place them in the bottle with cleaning solution, And now we press the button. So as you can see, all the tubes started to fill in with the cleaning solution. So now you can stop it. Okay. So you can basically charge new ink or flush the print head with this feature. So what do you guys think about it? Leave a comment below. There is also another thing. I would like to make something I never done before, but I guess it's gonna be fun. I want to give away 4 controller boards of your choice. So it's gonna be 4 winners getting 1 board each, including express shipping to your country. I'm gonna be choosing 2 winners among our YouTube subscribers and 2 winners among our Facebook followers. The rules are quite simple. You have to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to like this video and leave any comment below. For example, with the name of the board you would like to get. Same rules on Facebook. Like our Facebook page, like the post I will put in the description below, and leave any comment. Once we reach 500 likes on this video and 500 likes on Facebook post, I'm gonna be using some randomizer and we'll make another video where I'm gonna be announcing the winners. So excited guys about how this is gonna work, because I'm doing this for the first time ever. So these are all news I would like to share with you today. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.